Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the graphics card, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the graphics card to remove it from the system. To reinstall the graphics card, place it back in the system and relatch it. Relatch the side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.